Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I remind you that we made this dress using Japanese sewing techniques. I showed you 3 videos about this dress. I showed you how to make a pattern for it, how to cut and tack it. In the last video, I tried the dress on. Now you can see me wearing the finished dress. When I was making this dress, I thought that it's a perfect dress for work. When I put the finished dress on, I was surprised to see how beautiful it is. When I put matching shoes and accessories on, I realized that I can even go to a restaurant or theater wearing it. Draping made this dress look very beautiful. I haven't changed anything since I made the pattern. Now you know how to make such dresses. You can alter the front neckline if you don't want it to be that deep. I don't want to change anything. I love the dress. Jersey fabric is pretty strong, so the dress looks good even without lining. I'm sure that this dress will become one of my favorites. I'm happy that I bought the books on Japanese sewing techniques. I'm sure that I'll sew a lot of clothes using these books. Have a look here. This is the detail I was worried about. It is said in the book that the 2 details can be stitched to each other. I don't think that is necessary. Firstly, I don't know how to do it. Secondly, I tried walking and sitting in this dress, and I think that it's very comfortable the way it is. I love the fact that draping makes me look much slimmer. I do not only show you a review of a finished item. I showed you how to make a pattern for it, how to cut and stitch it. This is very important. I think that 3/4 sleeves would also look really good in this dress. I move a lot, so I love comfortable clothes. This is why I made the sleeves shorter. I think that probably 3/4 sleeves would look even better. I think that this edge can be made slightly round. It would also look very beautiful. I remind you that I made the shoulders 6 centimeters tighter. You do not necessarily have to make them that tight. I did everything just like in the book. You are pretty lucky. It took me long to understand how to make this dress. I had to understand how to make draping and how to tack the waist seam. I showed you how to make this dress only when I was absolutely sure that I know the technique. I think that you can also attach small shoulder pads to this dress. They will make the shoulders of a very beautiful shape. Anyway, I think that the dress looks good without them as well. I recommend making such dresses of jersey fabric. It's soft, but at the same time elastic. Jersey fabric is perfect for draping. Of course, I'm talking about jersey fabric of a high quality. Sometimes our customers bring pieces of jersey fabrics, and we are not able to make anything on them. This dress is not for those who like close-fitting items. I know that there are people who think that the less fabric they put on, the slimmer they look. The design is not suitable for such people. I would never make a dress which fits me too tight. It may seem like this dress is tight, but actually it's not. The fitting is here is 3 centimeters on each side. I am really grateful for these amazing techniques. I am happy that I bought the books. I am happy that our translator helped me understand what to do. I am happy that now I have this amazing dress. I recommend everyone making such beautiful dresses. You can make them of crepe or of jersey fabric. The best thing about this design is that even though it looks complicated, it's actually very simple. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Pakshta Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell button. Thank you. Goodbye.